Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solution. Good afternoon, my dear students. SSLC Model Question Paper 1. So, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಉಳಿದ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. Hello everyone. Look at the question number 35. Prove that if in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to, that is, in the same ratio of the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. So here two triangles ABC and DEF. So given data in triangle ABC and DEF, here the given AB divided by DE is equal to AC side is divided by DF. So corresponding sides are in equal proportion, and BC divided by EF. So take this as equation number 1. So we have to prove angle C is equal to angle F, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle A is equal to angle D, and also to show triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. So construct. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, mark point P and Q on DE and DF. So DE ಮತ್ತು DF ಮೇಲೆ P ಮತ್ತೆ Q ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ PQ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ AB ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು DP ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, AC ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು DQ ಆಗೋ ತರ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ DP is equal to AB, DQ is equal to AC ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋ DP divided by DE is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, DQ divided by DF ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್, ಸೊ ಈ ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ DE divided by DP is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, DF divided by DQ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು 1 ಅನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ DE divided by DP minus 1 is equal to DF divided by DQ minus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 1. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ DP into 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ DP. ಸೊ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ DE minus DP. ಸೊ is equal to ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ DQ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ DF minus DQ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ DE minus DP is equal to ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ, PE. ಹಾಗೆ DF minus DQ is equal to QF. So this implies PE divided by DP is equal to QF divided by DQ. So ಇದನ್ನ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ DP divided by PE is equal to DQ divided by QF ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ಥೇಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ PQ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, EF ಗೆ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ದೆನ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ angles are equal. So therefore this angle P is equal to angle E in triangle DPQ. Q angle is equal to angle F ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ angle similarity criterion ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So therefore here DP divide DE is equal to DQ divided by DF is equal to DPQ divided by EF ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ triangle DPQ and triangle DEF ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಫ್ AB is equal to DP by construction and AC is equal to DQ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ DP divided by DE is equal to DQ divided by DF and BC ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ EF ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು DPQ and DEF ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ ಬೈ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಇಂದ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ here from equation 2 and 3 will get BC is equal to PQ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ PQ is equal to EF and BC is equal to EF. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು BC is equal to PQ ಗೆ equal ಆಯ್ತು from equation 2 and equation 3. So in a triangle ABC and in triangle DPQ. So ಈ ಎರಡು triangles ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ BC ಏನಾಗಿದೆ PQ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫ್ರಮ್ 2 and 3 ಇಂದ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ BC ಸೈಡ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ PQ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ AB is equal to DP by construction and AC is equal to DQ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ DPQ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ A ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಆಂಗಲ್ D ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ B is equal to angle P. So angle C is equal to angle Q. So this implies angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. So ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ DEF ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Hello everyone. Look at the question number 35. Prove that if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. So here two triangles ABC and DEF. Here by the given data in triangle DEF and triangle ABC. So angle A is equal to angle D. Okay. So data. And AB divided by DE. So AB side is corresponds to DE. So these sides are proportional. Is equal to AC divided by TF. So this is given. So ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ರಚನೆಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ P and Q ಆನ್ DE and DF. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಹೇಗಿರ್ಬೇಕದು AB ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು DP ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ AC ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು DQ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ PQ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಇನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC and DPQ, here AB is equal to DP by construction and AC is equal to DQ by construction. So here angle A is equal to angle D. So given data. So side angle side criteria dinda ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು triangle ABC congruence triangle DPQ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So by using side angle side criterion. Okay. So here angle B is equal to angle P. Angle C is equal to angle Q. This is corresponding angles of the similar triangles. Okay. So already ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ ABC ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ DPQ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಗ್ರುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಸಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. So take this as equation number 1. So here AB divided by DE is equal to AC divided by DF. So data. So ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅಂಶದ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ DP divided by DE is equal to DQ divided by DF ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ AB ಏನಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, DP ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ತರ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, PQ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AB ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಏನನ್ನ, DP. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ AC by DQ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ if these sides are in proportion, then by converse of Thales theorem PQ is parallel to EF ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so if it is parallel, angle E is equal to angle P, corresponding angles. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ angle F ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, angle Q ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so PQ parallel to EF ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. Okay, so take this as equation number 2. Okay, so from 1 and 2 we write angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and angle A is equal to angle D. So the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Thank you. Hello everyone. Look at the question number 37. The lighthouse AB of height 10√3 meter stands vertically on a seashore. A tower CE and a ship F are standing 30 meter and 10 meter away from the foot of the lighthouse respectively. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the top of the lighthouse is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and distance between the top of the lighthouse to the top of the tower AE. Also find the angle of depression formed from the top of the lighthouse to the ship. So see the diagram here. The height of the lighthouse is 10√3. Okay, so this is AB. And the distance between the foot of the lighthouse to foot of the tower, so this is BC, is equal to 30 meters. Okay, so the distance between the foot of the lighthouse to the ship, this is equal to BF. So this BF is 10 meter. Height of the tower is equal to C. So height of the tower in heli C. So idanna find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ angle of depression, so this is equal to theta. So ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ distance between the top of the lighthouse to the top of the tower AE ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, in a triangle, in triangle ADE, in a triangle ADE, tan 30 degree is equal to in heli opposite by adjacent. So here opposite side is DE divided by AD alba. So tan 30 degree value is 1/√3 is equal to DE divided by here AD is equal to ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ BC ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AD ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ BC ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ BC is 30 ಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ AD ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 30 ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ BC is equal to AD. This is equal to 30 meter. So divided by adjacent side is 80. So this is 30 meter. So DE is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30 divided by √3. Okay, so DE is equal to, so ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ √3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 30 into √3 divided by √3 into √3 is 3. So 3 ones are 3 tens are. So this is equal to 10√3 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ DE ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ C ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟವರ್. ಸೊ height of the tower is equal to in ಹೇಳಿ CE. So this is equal to DE plus CD alva. So here DE is 10√3 plus CD is equal to AB alva. So here AB is 10√3 meter. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ CD ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 10√3 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 10√3 plus 10√3 is 20√3 meter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the height of the tower. Okay. So now consider in a triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE, cos 30 degree is equal to, so ನಮಗೆ AE ಬೇಕು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ cos 30 degree is equal to cos is adjacent by hypotenuse. So here adjacent is AD divided by hypotenuse is AE. So cos 30 degree is √3 by 2. So this is equal to AD is equal to BC. So BC length ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 30 meter ಇದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 30 divided by AE. So simplify this. So AE is equal to 30 into 2 is 60 divided by √3. So again ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಗೆ √3 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಂಟು √3 ಇಂಟು √3. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬಿಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ √3 ಮಾಡಿ ಕೂಡ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ AE is equal to, so 60 √3 divided by 3, √3 into √3 is 3. So 3 ones are 3 20s are. So AE is equal to in ಹೇಳಿ 20√3 meter. So therefore the distance between the top of the lighthouse to the top of the tower AE is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 20√3 meter ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ that is angle DAF is equal to ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ angle AFP. ಸೊ ಈ ಎರಡು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಂಗಲ್ DAF is equal to ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆಂಗಲ್ AFP ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ AD ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು BC ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಸೊ A ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ B ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಅ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABF, so tan theta is equal to ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ AB divided by BE. So AB divided by BF, that is opposite side divided by adjacent side. So here tan theta is equal to, here AB is 10 root 3 meter divided by BF is 10. So tan theta is equal to 10 cancels. This is equal to root 3. So theta 60 degree ಆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan theta root 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ tan theta is equal to tan 60 degree. Okay. So therefore angle of depression theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Thank you. Hello everyone. Look at the question number 37. A tower and a pole stand vertically on the same level ground. It is observed that the angles of depression of the top and foot of the pole from the top of the tower of height 60 meter is 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole. So here height of the tower is 60 meter and height of the pole is CD. So this is equal to H meter. So B is equal to CD. Equal irutte. So this is equal to H meter. Okay. So let take BD is equal to EC. So take this as X. Okay. So here, therefore, AE is equal to AB minus EB. AB minus EB. Okay. So here AB is 60 meter minus EB is equal to CD. This is H meter. Okay. So this is equal to AE. Angle ACE. Angle ACE. Angle ACE is 30 degree. Okay. So here EC ಏನಾಗಿದೆ AG ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಸಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ AC is equal to 30 degree. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ADB. Angle ADB is also 60 degree. Okay. So alternate angle. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ GAD 60 degree ಆದ್ರೆ ADB ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 60 degree ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. So alternate angle. Okay. So ಈಗ ನಾವು in triangle AEC. In a triangle AEC, tan 30 degree is equal to $60. So tan 30 degree is equal to AE divided by opposite side by adjacent side. AE divided by EC. So here tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to, here AE is 60 minus H divided by EC is X. Take this as equation number 1. So in a triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is AB divided by adjacent side is BD. So tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to AB is 60 meter divided by BD is X. BD is X meter. So X is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 60 divided by root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So take this as equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, so we'll get from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, so root 3 into 60 minus H is equal to 60 divided by root 3. So here 60 minus H is equal to 60 divided by root 3 into root 3. Okay, so root 3 into root 3 agate. So this is equal to 60 minus H is equal to 60 divided by 3. So here so 60 minus H is equal to 3 ones are 3 20s. So this is equal to 20. So H is equal to 60 minus 20. So H is equal to 40 agate. Okay. So here height of the pole CD is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 40 meter. So therefore height of the pole CD is equal to H. This is equal to 40 meter. Thank you. Sixth main, answer the following question. Hello everyone. Look at the question number 38. A hollow solid is made by placing a cylinder on an inverted cone as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and the cone are 7 centimeter and their heights are 12 centimeter. Okay, 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. The solid is filled with water up to the height of Hello everyone. Look at the question number 38. A hollow solid is made by placing a cylinder on an inverted cone as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and the cone are 7 centimeter and their heights are 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. The solid is filled with water up to the height of 2/3 the height of the cylinder. Find the amount of water in the solid. Calculate the amount of water required to fill the solid completely. So see the diagram. So here volume of water inside the solid. So this is equal to volume of cone plus volume of water in the cylinder. So iದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ volume of water inside the solid in a composition. Okay, volume of cone plus volume of water in the cylinder. So ಈ ಎರಡು ಸಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ volume of water in the inside the solid ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. So here formula for volume of the cone. So this is equal to 1/3 pi r square h cone. Okay, so h is cone height plus volume of the water inside the cylinder is 2/3 pi r square h. So this is equal to here 1/3. So pi 1/3 pi. Here r is radius of the cone. So here radius of the cone is 7 centimeter. So 7 whole square Hello everyone. Look at the question number 38. A hollow solid Hello everyone. Look at the question number 38. A hollow solid is made by placing a cylinder on an inverted cone as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and the cone are 7 centimeter and their heights are 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. The solid is filled with water up to the height of 2/3 the height of the cylinder. Find the amount of water in the solid. Calculate the amount of water required to fill the solid completely. So here volume of water inside the solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of water inside the cylinder. Okay. So here volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h cone. So here plus, so water is filled with water up to the height of 2/3 of the height of the cylinder ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 2/3 of the volume of cylinder ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ pi r square h ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 3 pi. Here r is radius of the cone is 7 centimeter, 7 square into h, height of the cone is 9. Into 9 plus 2 by 3 into pi r square is 7 whole square. H is height of the cylinder is 12. So this is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 7 sevens are 49 into 9 plus 2 by 3 into pi, 7 sevens are 49 into 12. So here 1 by 3 into pi into 49 is common in both the sides. So 9 plus 2 into 12 remains. So this is equal to here 1 by 3 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into 49 into 9 plus 12 twos are 24. So this is equal to here 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. So 2 ones are 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 elevens are 22. So 11 into 7 into 9 plus 24 is 33. So this is equal to 11 into 7 into 33. So this is equal to 1694 centimeter cube. So here amount of water required to fill it completely is equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Okay. So amount of water required to fill it completely. So this is equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So this is equal to 1 by 3. 1/3 of volume of cylinder is pi r square h cylinder. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into r is 7 centimeters. So 7 into 7 into height of the cylinder is 12. So this is equal to, so 7 ones are 7 ones are 3 ones are 3 fours are. So this is equal to 22 into 7 into 4. So this is equal to 616 centimeter cube. Okay. Hello everyone. Look at the question number 38. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 centimeter and the radius is 5 centimeter. The vessel is filled with water up to the brim, and when 100 lead shot of same size are dropped in it, 1/4 of the water from the vessel flows out. Find the radius and volume each lead shot. So here volume of water displaced, volume of water displaced. So this is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ volume of 100 lead shots. So this is equal to 1/4 of volume of cone. Alva? So here 100 into volume of lead shots ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ volume of lead shot. So this is equal to 1/4 of volume of cone. So here 100 into volume of lead shot. So this is in sphere shape. So formula for volume of the sphere is 4/3 pi r cube. So this is equal to 1/4 of 1/3 of the water is ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 1/4 of volume of cone. So here volume of the cone formula is 1/3 pi r square h. So here r cube is equal to 1/4 into 1/3 pi r square h into, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ r cube ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದಾಗ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಇದ್ದು ಡಿನೋಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 divided by 4 pi into 100. So r cube is equal to here sphere in, okay, so sphere in a radius. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so this is equal to sphere radius. So this is equal to, so 3 cancels. So r square, so pi get cancels. So r square h divided by 4 4s are 16 into 100. So r cube is equal to, here r is 5 centimeter. Okay, so cone in a radius. So 5 square into h is height of the cone is 8 divided by 16 into 100. So this is equal to 5 5s are 25 into 8. So r cube is equal to 25 into 8. So 16 into 100 is 1600. So r cube is equal to 25 ones are 25. So otherwise direct multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so 1 second. $25. 200 divided by 1600. 0, 0 cancels, 0, 0 cancels, 2 ones are 2 eights. So r cube is equal to 1 by 8. So r cube is equal to 1 by 8. So r cube is equal to, so ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಯೂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 2 raised to 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is equal to 1 by 2 whole cube. So ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ, so r is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, r of the radius of the sphere is equal to 1 by 2. So this is equal to 0.5 centimeter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So radius of the lead shot is radius of the lead shot is 0.5 centimeter. So volume of each lead shot is equal to ಏನಾಯ್ತು, so volume of each lead shot is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube sphere. Okay, so each lead shot in a volume anna find out madre. So this is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 divided by 7 into, so here 0.5 r tagoli, so 1 by 2 whole cube. So this is equal to 4 by 3 into 22 divided by 7 into 1 by 8. So this is equal to, so here 4 ones are 4 twos are 8, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 by 21. So this is equal to 0.523 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the volume of the each lead shot. Thank you. Hello everyone. Look at the question number 38. A hollow solid is made by placing a cylinder on an inverted cone as shown in the figure. The radius of the cylinder and the cone of are 7 centimeter and their heights are 12 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. The solid is filled with water up to the height of 2/3 the height of the cylinder. Find the amount of water in the solid. Calculate the amount of water required to fill the solid completely. So here volume of water inside the solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of water in the cylinder. So here volume of cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So cone plus 2/3 of the water is filled in the cylinder. So this is 2/3 of volume of cylinder is pi r square h. So this is cylinder. So substitute the values into the formula. So this is 1 by 3 pi r is 7 centimeter into h is 9 height of the cone plus 2 by 3 into pi into r is 7 whole square radius of the cylinder into height of the cylinder is 12 centimeter. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into pi. So into 7 sevens are 49 into 9. plus 2 by 3 into pi into 7 sevens are 49 into 12. So here 1 by 3 pi and 49 is common. So 1 by 3 into pi into 49. So in bracket 9 plus 2 into 12. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into 49. Here 9 plus 22 into 12 is 24. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into here 7 ones are 7 sevens are. So 22 into 7. So 22 into 7 into 9 plus 24 is 33. Okay. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 11s are 33. So this is equal to 22 into 7 into 11. So this is equal to 1694 centimeter cube. Okay. So amount of water required to fill it completely. So this is equal to 1/3 of volume of the cylinder agutte. So amount of water required to fill it completely. So this is equal to 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So here 1/3 of volume of cylinder. So this is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h of the cylinder. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into 22 divided by 7 into r is 7 into 7. So this is the radius of the cylinder into h is the height of the cylinder 12. So this is equal to, so 7 ones are 7 ones are, so 3 ones are 3 fours are. So this is equal to 22 into 7 into 4. So is equal to 616 centimeter cube. Hence the solution. Thank you. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಎಂಡ್ ಆದವು ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ. ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಂಡ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.